what is all this? Well, first off, guys, oh man, it feels so good to be back. Sorry, the fan's so loud. Look at this. It's like 15 inches of snow, dude. It's the first time this car's been out. I think I'm already stuck, letting it warm up. As you guys can see, I mean, we got some snow. First off, it's great to be back. Sorry for, like, I guess me being MIA for a while. First up, went to Cancun. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that whole trip, basically in the story timeline, which was such a fun time. We're back. We're back. I'm excited to be back. However, I'm not really too stoked on our current weather situation. It looks awesome. Like, it looks awesome. But man, I've been stuck inside. I've been caved in. I've been blocked in. There's been so much snow. I really can't go anywhere. But we're back here today for another little vlog. So let's go ahead. Let's get today started. It's still super cold. So are we gonna be working in the garage today? Probably not, just because it's like single digits right now. So let's hop in the car. I have a lot of stuff to get to today, but let's just first step. Can we get out of the driveway? Can we get out is my first question. At least the car's warm. I've missed this car. I think I'm already stuck, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're on Federal 595 RS double R's, and we're going. We're good, dude. Oh yeah. Just spinning, dude. But at least I don't think the roads are this bad. Oh, I forgot the amp. Damn it. Speaking of amp, I'm gonna start messing with guitar a little bit. I got a couple like intros to a couple songs down. Enter Sandman, I kind of got that intro down a little bit, somewhat, and Sweet Child of Mine, we've been messing with that a little bit, but I'm gonna start getting back into a little bit of guitar action. I never really got into it, but I think I want to start messing around. So I bought an amp. Turns out it was just an amp head, so it's not exactly what I need. It has no speaker in it, so I got to return that. It was used. So right now we're just going home to my parents' place. Haven't driven this in a while. Sounds great still. Drives great. How have you guys been, man? Let me know how you guys been doing. Let me know what you guys been up to. Sorry, like I said, I've been out for like a week or so. It feels like maybe even more. But this weather, man, it just makes it so tricky to film, to do things, let alone get people outside to do things. You know, it's just hard to make things look good on camera. Everything looks gray and dull and like kind of dreary, and it's freaking cold. So working in the garage is kind of not really a smart thing to be doing. But yeah, I mean, we're making the most of what we can. Hopefully this weather turns around pretty soon. We can drive this thing properly, really put the power down, because every time we drive it, it just spins, and I really think that has to do a lot with the cold weather and stuff like that. So yeah, man, a lot of cool stuff to come. I just kind of want to get back into it, update you guys with what's going on. We'll talk about the 240 a little bit, the LS whole deal. We'll talk about this, my plans for shows, like all that kind of stuff. You gotta be so careful, because this thing thing breaks loose so easily. You just gotta keep it simmer. Tonight we're expected like some freezing rain and stuff like that, like a little bit of an ice storm, I guess. There's a salt truck up here, so I'm gonna try and get past him. I don't want him blowing holes in my ship. So guys, this car has been doing, first off, let's just talk, since we're driving it, I just gotta go quickly to my house, my parents' house. For those of you that don't know, I moved into my own place with some buddies, so we're having a blast over there, had a lot of fun. But as far as this car goes, we haven't really been in it much, haven't driven it much, just due to the weather, and obviously I've been out of town. So, God, I mean, this thing has been doing so well. It's been doing so well. I love this car extremely much. Does that make sense? It's just such a fun car to drive, man. It's got the looks. Obviously, we're still just getting started with everything. The drivetrain. We're getting started with the exterior, because obviously you guys know end goal is to do a wide body. It's going to be a very clean, very nicely done. I think we're going to go, as of right now, the Twin Z Design wide body. It looks super clean. It's got kind of like a molded wide body look that looks almost OEM. I think that's going to look incredible. We still have a stock 2JZ, so you know, next up we're going to do cams, off springs, up the turbo size, and you know, just, I mean, continue to grow. I mean, that's the whole point, right? We build these cars and just continue to build them and make them better. That's what we do here, boys and girls. I really don't know what just happened, man. I just got a lot of smoke. I thought I smelled something this morning, and I'm literally just in the middle of the right as we're talking about this thing, man. There's smoke. Not good, man. I gotta call someone. Oh. Yo, hello? Kevin. Kevin. Yeah, car just lost power, so I'm just trying to figure something out right now. It's not the battery. I know there's smoke in the car, something wiring wise. Yeah, man, something's fried the up, so. And my phone just died, so I gotta figure out a way to. I'm so close to home. I'm literally just about a mile up the street. How much would you charge me to drive it up the street a couple miles? You can't do it? So it's absolutely freezing. The car is just, I don't know what happened, man. I don't know what happened. Some smoke, not good. So it's come down to this, man. So damn cold. So we're back at my parents', not really in the state that we wanted it to be, and I'm kind of upset because I didn't even catch when it went like wrong on camera, and I totally thought it did because I had the GoPro on. But just a quick kind of like rundown. So I'm just driving, we're driving, and then all of a sudden the car just it starts clicking on and off, clicking on and off, clicking on and off, and I got a bunch of smoke from this area. And if you guys are aware, this area houses the ECU, so we're about to go take a little, you know, adventure here and see what the hell went wrong, because clearly there is an issue. The wood board that covers everything that Nissan puts here from the factory, it being 3 degrees literally Fahrenheit does not help our situation right now. Let's see if there's any wiring that got shorted out or did something in here. The ECU doesn't smell burnt. Nothing smells burnt in here. It does kind of in here, but it's just way too cold to work on this, man. I don't even want to work on it. Like, it's so cold, and it's my daily driver. Like, what am I gonna do? So fun. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try something real quick. I just disconnected the ECU just for safety. I'm gonna go ahead and flip on our breaker. Nothing should happen. Okay. Now, big first initial test is, do we have an interior light? We have no interior light, so something is definitely up with the whole like chassis. Or let's check this out. No lights. Okay. If we put the key in, absolutely nothing. So I mean, I could go ahead and, it's just like I said, I'm not working. It's frigid, man. You guys don't understand how cold it is right now. I'm gonna go ahead, maybe tomorrow we'll go ahead and just check power of the fuse boxes, that kind of stuff, and make sure it's actually setting and getting power. But otherwise, I really have no clue without taking this whole car apart. I just can't see anything visibly. What a great way to come back, right? Start things off with a bang, literally. So I'm a little frustrated, man. I'm a little frustrated. But it is what it is. Well, yeah, so got permission from luckily I got the parents' car for a day or two. So tomorrow it's gonna be a whole lot warmer tomorrow, a whole lot warmer. But yeah, we're gonna be back here tomorrow, guys, and try and figure out the problems. Plans completely got ruined today, but what can you do? That's kind of the way she goes sometimes. I'm still going to the post office, going to ship out a few things. Yeah, it's just not the way we wanted today to go at all. Luckily, we were super close to home, and that tow truck driver kind of saved the day. Thankfully, he just rolled up right behind me, you know, like right after it happened. So that was super lucky. Had to pay like almost 80 bucks just to bring it like a mile down the road, which was kind of frustrating. And but I mean, what are you gonna do, man? That's just the way it is. So I didn't really film us cleaning up this whole garage and getting this car out because I really didn't want to mess with this car in the first place. But I'm pretty sure we just found our problem, and I'm pretty stoked about it. So like I was telling you guys, the smoke came from like this part. Nick's with me, by the way. Hi, Nick. What's up, fam? So these this wire right here, you guys can see, this is like the main, this is kind of what hooked up to the battery in the first place before I relocated it. We are golden. I love when it's that easy. God, it's cold, huh? So this is multiple days later. I gotta go run some errands real quick. It is still like in the single digits right now. It is so cold, guys. But we're kind of hibernating recently, so I gotta get back on the swing of things. But I've been messing around with my electric guitar a little bit. I gotta go ahead and return this amp head because I thought it was an amp, but it's just an amp head. So I kind of failed on that. Just started snowing too, perfect timing. Alright guys, well this is just going to be an outro. I'm literally just going to Guitar Center, but I just realized I never filmed one the other day. So, all is good, man. Car has been running well. What a series of events. I really hope this weather is going to turn around pretty soon, just so we can get back on the grind, guys. I'm looking for a shop, but I would really need to kind of hop into a shop situation with a lot of buddies, or a couple buddies at least, you know what I mean? Do it as a partner type deal. But for now, we're doing what we can. This guy's wearing shorts, man. It is 4 degrees outside and you're wearing shorts. People, man, people. All right, guys, I'm gonna call for today, vlogish style. But that's kind of how my channel started. We were doing like in-car vlogs, so we might Might have to roll back to our roots temporarily. For the time being, we're gonna do some in-car stuff. If you guys have any topic ideas, what you guys want me to talk about or explain or whatever we can do inside the car, just let me know, because as of right now, it's definitely our best bet as far as content goes. Almost stalled it. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one, hopefully sooner than later. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Take it easy. Peace.